So for question F, right, so we are looking for the predictive interval, right? So the 95 percentile predictive interval estimate, and we have the same values for x1 10% and x2, which is 0.09. Now, according to the formula again, we're going to use this formula. So the y hat is going to be the x0 transpose A times the values of the betas, that's the B. And we notice here that the formula is very similar to the confidence interval. The only difference is having one as additional here, one, right? So you see there is a one as well. So that's the only thing gonna change. So half interval is gonna change. And this is a reminder about the previous formula. So you see is missing a one next to the under the radical sign. All right. So luckily we did the confidence interval already. So we're gonna use the previous job to finish this one as well, right? So let's go back to Excel. So this was the work for the 95 percentile confidence interval. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna copy everything in here, almost the same thing. Copy this, and we will paste it as values 1, 2, 3. So we don't want to paste it as a functions, so we will lose a lot of values. Okay, so here you're gonna be, instead of confidence interval, you're gonna be predictive interval, PI. And the standard error is gonna stay the same. The T alpha over 2 is gonna stay the same. The only thing, this formula here, you're gonna change. So we're gonna delete it. And I'm gonna start it from scratch. I could have copied this, but anyway. So let's start it again. Will be a review. So the formula here is gonna be, let's have it this one here. Okay, so we're gonna start with equal sign. We're gonna multiply the T value multiplied by the standard error value, and then we multiply by square root SQRT, open the parentheses. We're gonna put 1 plus the value over here, right? So, and then close the parentheses, and that's all. So this is gonna be your half interval. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna do equal sign. We're gonna go to the y hat, which we calculated right here. And then we're gonna take away minus the value of the alpha half interval, right? Enter. And for the upper side, you're gonna be equal sign. We're gonna click on the y hat again, and then plus half interval value, enter. And those are the two values. Now we can go copy them, copy the first part, the lower end. So that's going to be from here, paste it, and you want to round it to 1 decimal. So you're going to be, instead of 0.39, it would be 40 is 4, and the second one is going to be 6.7. Let's type it, 6.7, and let's check it. Okay, we got it. All right, for question G, obviously here we are using the two parameters. So the model uses both alcohol content and chloride of the wine to predict the mean qualities, right? And we are not using only one. Okay.